Welcome back everyone to another tutorial, where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Battleteams 2 game on your PC for free. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. You can then type in Battleteams 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page. Here you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. If you scroll down, you can find the Add to Library or the Play Game button. Click on either one of these. If you click on Add to Library, the game will be added to your library. And if you click on Play Now, you can choose your install location right away. Choose your location and click on Install, and then accept the terms and conditions. This will then begin the download of your game. Just wait until the process is completed. And once it is completed, you can start playing the Battleteams 2 game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Battleteams 2 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.